All right, here's a nice rational equation where I've got to solve for x. Typically, I'm going to factor the denominators, but this one here, there's no two numbers that multiply to 4 and add to -2. So I think I'll just leave that one for now. And then this last one is a sum of cubes, and so I need to follow this pattern. So it'd be a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, so if I have x cubed plus 8, 8 would be the same as 2 cubed. Then I'd have x plus 2 and x squared minus 2x plus 4. So that's what this one is, 24 over x plus 2, x squared minus, 2x plus 4. So my lowest common denominator, it looks like, is going to be this whole thing. So I'm going to take and multiply every term by x plus 2 and x squared minus 2x plus 4. So this one by x plus 2 and x squared minus 2x plus 4. And the last one, maybe I'll put it at the end, x minus 2, x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, on the first one, that whole term cancels out. Nice. So I'd be left with 8 times x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2's cancel. So I'm left with x times x squared minus 2x plus 4. Plus, and on the last one, the whole thing cancels out. So I'm left with 24. Now, feel free as I'm going through this to pause at any point and pause it and see if you can work out from there on. And then come back and press play and see how it goes. Okay, I'll FOIL this out, so that'll be 8x plus 16 equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 24. Now we'll collect everything on the right-hand side. So 0 is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared. Okay, I'll subtract 8x here, subtract 8x there, so it'll be a minus 4x. Then subtract 16, that'll be a plus 8. Now this is a cubic, and there's 4 terms. Can't really, I guess the only way we could solve this one is if I can group factor. If I can't group factor, I'd stop now. So let's try and group factor. So out of these first 2 terms, I can take an x squared, leaves me with x minus 2. Out of the next 2, I can take out a negative 4, which leaves me with x, 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. Oh, so those 2 are the same. So if they're the same, here's 2 terms. I can take the x minus 2 out. If I take it out, then I'll be left with x squared minus 4, okay, is equal to 0. So now x squared minus 4, I can factor that. So it'll be x minus, 2 and x plus 2 equals 0. So to solve this, x can be either a positive 2, or a negative 2. And now let's go back and check. So back into the original question, let me just erase some of this stuff there. Back into the original question, if I put a 2 in anywhere, I want to make sure I don't get a 0 on the bottom. So 2 squared is 4, minus 2 times 2, that's 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. That's okay. 2 plus 2 is 4. That's okay. 2 cubed is 8 plus 8 is 16. So 2 works. And then negative 2, oh, right here's bad. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. That's on the bottom of a fraction. Can't have that. So negative 2 is out, but positive 2 works. Right? Hopefully that helps you with that question.